Mom comes in to meet her grandson. Hi, Grandma Judy. Any thoughts before you meet your grandson?
Oh, I'm anxious to see the little boy.
He's not a little boy anymore.
Not a little boy.
Grandpa Mike's coming in to meet his grandson.
Oh,
He's a big boy now. Whoops.
Oh, Grandma can't hold him.
come here. Give me him. Oh, my goodness. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. You recognize Grandma? Oh, what?
Since I was halfway through lunch, he kind of made me stop.
Hi there, sweetheart. He's so tiny.
Sit down.
He's a lot bigger than he was.
He's already gained a pound.
Actually, I bet he's about a pound and a half now.
I bet he's close to 9 pounds.
Oh, I can eat you up. Yes, I can. I can just eat you up.
You're supposed to.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, his name is Dan.
I didn't say you should take him away from me. I just said you go meet him.
You gotta share, Mom.
Oh, got that flash in your eyes? Oh, golly. Yeah. You get licked up by the dogs and everything already?
Yup.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's a good kid.
Lester's
Yeah.
upstairs.
How come he's not crying for you?
Grandpa. A boy and his grandpa, Mom.
Such a guy.
Is that what it is?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He's thinking it's Santa Claus with a snowy beard.
What the what?
You think he sees his beard already?
Yeah.
Oh, now. There, now I feel better.
There you go, folks. Jealous of what,
Oh.
Well, why don't I take him, we'll get him fed, and then he'll be hungry, sleepy kid. Or not.
You want to go see Mommy and have something to eat? Okay. Oh. Grandma and Dog are getting along a little better now. See, so they're sitting there protecting her, protecting Daniel to make sure I don't bother him, I suppose, huh? Yeah, Solveig is a very good watchdog. Here, I'm trying to keep everybody in the camera range. That's Grandma and Dog. There's Solveig, the guard hound.